Hello guys, I'm a Upwork graphic designer and online freelancer. I make a logo expert. Sorry, spelling mistake this sentence. I make a logo graphics design related work. Today now discuss podcast logo. Podcast logo is a very creative and wonderful. It's a live broadcast telecast. It is other place is used. Podcast logo is a very an essential our video or on your studio. Podcast logo is perfect awareness. Perfect telecast is attractive audience gather. It is right place, but it is a grateful work. It's very podcast logo wonderful. It is a very creative work. Today now I will discuss podcast logo. Podcast logo is very essential. Your business, own business, my business, your business, no problem. It is no problem. And if you need a podcast logo, no problem. I can do this. Your podcast logo, your podcast logo is a creative and attractive. You make this. Our podcast logo is very wonderful. I make this all time. I stay online and 24 hours. Podcast logo. If you want podcast logo.